well, that's good.
How many batteries does that have on it?
It's got one giant 40 volt.
One giant ass 40 volt fucking lithium thing. Hey, press the little button. Let's see how it charges. Oh, we're only 2 bars, bro.
Okay, gotta go quick.
Wow.
Those 2 bars will last a while.
Yeah?
Oh, yeah.
Sweet.
Yeah?
Yeah, it should last over that, sure.
Can you stay on that side? Oh, right there. Okay.
Oh, where's your hard hat and chap?
I know you like the chaps, Brian.
Yeah, ask
Stand
for
back.
chaps, please.
No chaps on this trip. That's a different kind of adventure.
Hey, what happens in the weird
Wow. That's impressive.
I mean, that thing zips through.
For
this stuff.
something that's powered by electricity.
It's Tesla powered.
Oh man, just think about the amount of coal they burned to fill that battery full of electricity. That's awesome. That makes me so happy. Hell yeah. Yeah, full send. Oh yeah. How much coal just got burned right there? That's excellent. Oh yeah. Oh hell yeah. Hit that one. How much coal will it take to get through that?
There we go.
Oh yeah.
Absolutely no problem.
Yep.
Let's go over here.
Good junk.
Let's go over here.
Oh, yeah. Got plenty of room now.
Test around, huh?
Okay, time for the stress test. You know, with the handsaw, I never thought I'd talk
Absolutely no problem.
This is like home gamer shit. Hey Chris, how much was that?
100 and...
How much? Wow.
That
220?
I'm sold. 100% sold.
Oh, let's go mix our
And if you don't
two.
want to go Ryobi, if you want to go, better brand, they make them for those now too. But they're way expensive.
Brushless Ryobi 40 volt
And then all you got is
chainsaw.
yeah, and all you got is your bar oil right here.
Yep.
Yeah.
And you can just substitute butter or olive oil
Or jism juice.
or
at-
just
at
you
your-
know
at
whatever
your
leaks
coccyx.
out whatever leaks out of Lou's Jeep at night.
Or leak out your coccyx, right?
I got a bad coccyx right now.
Yeah, all right. Yeah, good times. All right, later.